In an ancient village shrouded by misty mountains, there lived a wise old man named Elier. People from far and wide sought his wisdom. One beckoning autumn day, a young traveler named Amara arrived, eager to seek the answer to the age-old question. What is the meaning of life? How do we live a good life? With gentle eyes and a warm smile, Elier welcomed Amara to sit by the hearth, where the fire crackled softly. Life, he began, is a tapestry woven with threads of experiences, emotions, and relationships. Each thread has its own color and texture, contributing to the unique pattern that is our own existence. Amara listened intently, her curiosity piqued by his metaphor. But how do we ensure this tapestry is a beautiful one? She pressed further. Elier thought for a moment before replying. To live a good life, he said, is to be present in each moment, to savor the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary with an open heart. It means to live with compassion and understanding, forming connections that transcend superficial boundaries. He paused, letting the words settle like falling leaves. It is not measured by wealth or success, he continued, but by the joy in small victories, the courage to face life's storms, and the wisdom to learn from every experience. A life well lived is filled with kindness, gratitude, and the courage to be true to oneself. Amara nodded thoughtfully, her heart moved by Elier's words. As she prepared to leave, Elier handed her a small, intricately carved wooden box. This is for you, he said mysteriously. It holds no answer, but rather a reminder. Inside, she found a simple mirror. The meaning of life and how we live it is deeply personal, Elier explained. Look within, and you'll find the guide you seek. Amara left the village, the mountains now basking in the golden glow of the setting sun. She understood that the journey to find life's meaning was not a destination, but an exploration of the world within and around her. Filled with renewed purpose, she knew the true essence of life lay in the choices she made and the love she shared. As she walked away, Elier watched her silhouette disappear into the horizon, content that another soul had begun their journey towards understanding. Life, after all, was about the journey of discovery, the profound connections made along the way, and the legacy of love and wisdom passed on to others.